Hello, I am Dr. Tulishri Pradhan. I am working as an associate professor in KIT School of Law, KIT University. I am teaching environmental law to both UG and PG students since 2014. I have an experience of more than a decade in dealing with this subject. The particular paper which we are going to offer here is Advanced Laws in Inclusive Environmental Norms. This is specially designed for the PG level students with a special focus on ESG laws, sustainable development goals and compliance frameworks. It is a 4-credit course and the total duration would be 40 hours. The first part is 20 hours digital multimedia content and the later part is 20 hours online lecture content. This course is divided into 4 quadrants. The first quadrant is e-tutorial. This is engaging video and audio lectures supplemented with animations, simulations and virtual labs to provide practical insight into ESG, compliance tools and global best practices. The second quadrant is e-content. It includes e-books, glossaries, case studies, FAQs and full transcriptions of lectures for thorough and self-paced study. The third quadrant is discussion forum. It enables academic interaction among learners with the course coordinators, engaging real-time debate, peer learning and collaborative thinking. The fourth quadrant is self-assessment. It features MCQs, problem sets, quizzes and assignments to evaluate comprehension and foster applied knowledge. This is a course designed for holistic development. It is not only going to help the law students or people from academia, but also it will help the people from government sectors, non-government sectors, that includes think tanks, also people from industries, because there are 2 important parts this particular paper is having. The first one is sustainable development goals and the second one is ESG. As we all know that it is very important to understand what is sustainable development, especially the SDG that is there by the 2015 United Nations, 17 SDGs, but the core concept was defined in Brundtland Commission report in 1986, which means utilizing the natural resources in such a way that not only the present generation but also the future generations will be benefited out of it. It includes 3 important vital components which are to be complied when we talk about sustainable development. So what are these 3 important concepts? Environment, of course, then the social criteria and economic criteria. When all the 3 components will be complied, then only we can call it sustainable development. Otherwise, it is not sustainable development. And there are 3 important doctrines which are to be fulfilled when we talk about SDGs. Viability, bearability and equitability. So it has to be bearable, viable and equitable, then only we can fulfill the objective of SDGs. And we all know that for any type of compliance, for any type of plan of actions, projects, proposals, we have to have environment impact assessment, and that includes ESG, which means environment, social and governance. That has to be there. So the environment impact assessment and social impact assessment are to be complied for any plan of action. So in order to make you compliance ready, and in order to understand the concepts related to ESG laws and sustainable development goals, this course is provided in the higher level, and that is for the post-graduation level. I hope you will enjoy this particular course and take the benefit out of it.